Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving deep into a fascinating and often overlooked plant, one that's deeply rooted in the heart of Ethiopia, Noug, also known as Guizotia abyssinica. Ethiopia, a land of ancient history and breathtaking landscapes, is also a cradle of agricultural diversity. Noug is a testament to that. This unique oilseed crop has been cultivated here for centuries, playing a vital role in Ethiopian culture and cuisine. It's truly a gift from Ethiopia to the world. Noug is a flowering plant and it's quite beautiful. It thrives in the Ethiopian highlands, adapting perfectly to the climate. It's grown for its small black seeds, which are rich in oil. These seeds are harvested and processed using traditional methods, passed down through generations. Let's take a closer look. The oil extracted from Noug seeds is highly valued. It's used in traditional Ethiopian cooking, giving dishes a distinct nutty flavor. It's also used in various other applications, from skincare to industrial uses. But beyond its practical uses, Noug holds a symbolic significance in Ethiopian culture. It represents the connection between people and the land, a tradition that's deeply ingrained. Noug is not just a crop, it's a part of Ethiopia's identity. And with increasing global interest in sustainable agriculture and unique food sources, Noug is gaining recognition beyond its native land. It's a testament to the power of traditional knowledge and the rich biodiversity that Ethiopia has to offer. If you're interested in learning more about Ethiopian agriculture, or if you're looking for a unique and healthy oil, I encourage you to explore Noug. It's a story of tradition, sustainability, and the incredible bounty of Ethiopia. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of Noug. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And let me know in the comments what other Ethiopian plants you'd like to learn about. Until next time.